Hello friends. So today I will be sharing with you top 5 US-based remote jobs that are hiring right now and do not require any college degree. Before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. There are companies in the USA who are looking for customer support representatives to answer customer queries via phone, email, or chat. As a virtual assistant, you will be working with small business owners and entrepreneurs providing administrative, technical, or creative assistance. As a data entry clerk, you will be doing simple typing jobs, such as inputting data into a spreadsheet or database. If you have an Instagram or TikTok account, and you have been growing your following for a while now, then this might be the perfect job for you. They typically work for companies like Mod Squad, who provides customer support and content moderation services to various clients, including major tech companies, and do not require any college degree. All these pay well and require no college degree. You can search for these jobs by typing Remote Jobs USA on Google, or check sites like Indeed, Remote OK, or We Work Remotely. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. See you in the next one. As a content moderator, you will be responsible for reviewing user-generated content such as comments, messages, or posts to ensure that they comply with the company's policies and guidelines. You will be required to flag any inappropriate content, such as hate speech, violence, or pornography, and remove it from the platform. To find content moderator jobs, you can go to Indeed or search on Google Content Moderator Work from Home USA as a social media manager. You will be helping brands and businesses grow their social media presence by creating engaging content for them, interacting with their followers, and managing their social media ads. You can find social media manager jobs on Indeed or Remote, okay? Or you can also reach out to companies directly by sending them a cold message through LinkedIn or email. You will be required to have a computer or laptop and an internet connection to do this job. If you have some experience in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, then it would be better for you. But there are also companies out there who will train you even if you have no experience at all. To find data entry jobs, you can visit websites like ClickWorker and MicroWorkers. On these websites, you will find lots of small jobs or micro tasks that you can complete online and get paid for. Your responsibilities will include managing their emails, scheduling their appointments or meetings, managing their social media accounts, making travel arrangements, and handling other tasks as may be assigned to you. You will be working directly with the employer or the client that you will be assigned to. In this way, you will be able to gain experience working with different kinds of businesses and industries. To find virtual assistant jobs, you can type virtual assistant work from home without investment on Google and go to the Indeed website or We Work Remotely. You could work for big companies like Amazon or well-established outsourcing companies like Concentrix, who already have an existing client base that they are servicing. A lot of these companies hire customer support reps from all over the world, so you should definitely check this out. One thing to note is that most of these companies will require you to have a landline phone in order to apply. However, there are some companies that will also hire you if you only have a mobile phone. So make sure to search and find out which ones are hiring and accepting applications from people with mobile phones only. You can search for these jobs by typing Customer Support Representative Work from Home on Google, or you can check sites like Indeed, Remote OK, or We Work Remotely. These websites list down all the available job positions that are open right now. Alright, let's get started. Number 1 is Customer Support Representative. Number 2 is Virtual Assistant. Number 3 is Data Entry Clerk. This is one of the easiest online jobs that anyone can do regardless of your age or location. Number 4 is Social Media Manager. And last but not least, 5 is Content Moderator. Content moderators review user-generated content to ensure that it adheres to the website's terms of service. So there you have it, guys. Top 5 US-based remote jobs that are hiring right now.